I'm going to be going to Myrtle Beach for about 4 days, and I guess I'll continue vlogging once I get there to show you a hotel tour. Just a small disclaimer, you're just going to be seeing the room that I was staying in, and I also forgot to film a small portion of the room, but you're going to be seeing most of the room. Also, I'm going to be doing a voiceover over the room footage because there was a lot of background noise. So when you enter the room, this is the door, and then if you take a sharp left, there is the laundry room. And then if you take a right, there is a bedroom. The bedroom I was staying in. There's the beds and this little nightstand in the middle. And then a dresser with a TV on it. There's a TV. And then the curtains, pretty nice. And then there's some paintings on the wall. And here's a closet. Doesn't have a lot of stuff in there right now. So if you exit the bedroom and then you go almost all the way straight, there's the bathroom. Here's the shower / bath, and then the toilet and the sink and the mirror. Once you exit the bathroom and you take a left, there is the kitchen. We have a lot of snacks in there. Stove, refrigerator, and freezer. Here's inside. And then if you take a right, there is the living room. Here is the counter, there's some high chairs here, and you can sit down and eat there. And there's also a table you can sit down and eat if you wanted. And then there's the table and a chair, and then the couch right here. And then here's the balcony. It's a nice view. And then another window with also a nice view. So on day 1, me and my family ate at the Land Shark Bar and Grill. Here are the bacon cheese fries and my drink. And then here are my fish and chips.